So, Georgie is getting a beauty cleanup from Foster. It looks like somebody thinks that Georgie needs to be cleaned. What's going on? What's going on with my baby girls? What's going on, Foster? Oh, look at that. Such intensity. Such love. What you doing? What are you doing? Doesn't Georgie clean you? Well, that doesn't seem fair, does it? You're doing all the hard work? Are you doing all the hard work? What'd you do, put her to sleep? How's that feel, Georgie? Oh, you like that. Yes, she goes. Oh, yeah, the ear. Oh, okay. You're going to make her do the other ear? Won't that make you lopsided? I don't know. What's up? Oh, okay. There goes the other side. Oh, gotta get the neck. Oh, okay. Oh, didn't do that ear, huh? She doesn't want that ear band done, it looks like. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. We're done? Everybody's wiped out? What happened? Out like a light, the two of you? No? Oh, good girl. Oh, you just had to wait for your sister to wake up enough to help you. Oh, that's nice. Georgie's now cleaning Foster. Yeah. Such good girls. That's sweet. I think you're such pretty girls. Yeah. You help each other. Normally, I don't see you doing this to Foster. Normally, it's Foster doing it to you. Yeah, you're just trying to show off? Huh? You trying to show off for everybody? That you know how to do it too? That you're good sisters? Man, the life of a cat, huh? The life of a cat. Such a pretty girl. And you're 11 years old. So you aren't little kittens, are you? Two little senior citizens who say, well, you know, gotta do something about my life. Yeah. Gotta do something about your life. So we gotta stay clean and neat. We don't want anybody to think we're lazy. Oh, such pretty girls, yeah. I think you're just doing a great job there. Look, there goes Foster's head. You must be really licking hard. Yeah. You got some power in there, Georgie. Yeah, you really do. Man, I want to come back as a cat. When it's loved. When's it taken care of? Yep, that's what I need to do. I need to come back as a cat. What do you think? Think Mama should come back as a cat? I think so. Yeah, such pretty girls.